avoid buying store-bought ginger and garlic paste. Today I'm showing you how to make some fresh homemade version in just a few minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a minute and I missed you guys. This homemade ginger and garlic paste is easy to make, budget friendly, and perfect for adding flavor to your dish. Let's go ahead and peel our garlics. I already have my garlic cloves well peeled. It was a lot of hard work, guys. Peeling all these things can take you a minute. So I already peeled mine. They look good, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do now is to go ahead and wash them. Make sure you have them washed thoroughly because we need them to be clean. After you wash them, drain all the excess water and put them aside to dry. Let's go ahead now and start working with our ginger. You can see I have my ginger in the packaging there. I'm gonna take them out the package. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is to make sure they are well washed. Always wash your ginger thoroughly. Some people like using the ginger with the skin, but for me, I'll go ahead and peel it. So that's despite that, so we still need to wash them. So I already washed and peeled my ginger, then wash it again after peeling. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to drain all the excess water and just let your ginger dry. For this paste, we have to make sure that there's no water in the ginger or garlic whatsoever, because if there's any trace of water, then the garlic and ginger will not stay for long. So make sure this dry completely, then you're gonna go ahead and start now working with both. After everything is set and done, the next thing now we're going to be doing is to get our blender. It doesn't matter what blender you use, and into the blender the ginger and the garlic will go. So I'm going to start with the ginger first. So just put them into your blender and go ahead and blend it until it is smooth, really smooth. As it continues to blend and smoothen, you can add a little bit of oil. You can see me adding a little bit of oil and salt. Those two are very important because they work as preservative. If you want, you can skip the salt, but the oil is very important because that works as a preservative for you to keep your ginger and garlic for at least a month if they're put in the fridge, and you can put it up to 6 months if they're put into the freezer. You can now see that our ginger paste is coming along quite well. It looks really good already, so keep blending as much as you can and ensure that it's just smooth. The consistency should be a paste like a very smooth paste. And when you feel that everything looks good, like for me that was good enough for me, you can put it aside and get your container. And remember, like I said, your container should be completely dry. We don't want any water in this procedure. After you've put your ginger into your container, you can go ahead and add a little bit of oil on top of it. Remember, I mentioned that oil is a preservative and it's very important. Then after all is done, you can do the same, go through the same process with your garlic. And after everything is set and done, you will have your paste, your ginger and garlic paste all together at your convenience. You can use it wherever you want, whenever you want. Make it easy for you to use it, like saves a lot of time. And yeah, so that's our ginger and garlic paste. You can store it in the fridge for up to 1 month and up to 6 months in the freezer. If you found this useful, kindly please consider to like, subscribe, and join the family. Bye. Love you all.